What's the meaning of contrariness? Contrariness. Contrariness.
Contrariness. Contrariness. Contrariness refers to a tendency to do the opposite of what is expected or desired. It describes a behavior marked by stubbornness, resistance, or defiance. When someone is being contrary, they may intentionally go against the wishes or expectations of others, often just to prove a point or show independence. This can lead to conflict or frustration in personal or professional relationships. In extreme cases, a person's contrariness can become a personality trait that impairs their ability to function effectively in society.